Hey Upside, what do we do with the cash back we get from the app? We make memories. My son and I both use it. This is a video of my son and I racing head-to-head at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. The app comes in really handy. It's great for saving gas, and in Vegas it's good for gas, groceries, and restaurants. So again, what do we do with our cash back from Upside? We make lifelong memories. Here's a video. And again, Upside, thank you very much.
So here we go. Well, you got a father-son matchup here. You got the old Crown Vic on the right side. That's the son. Dad in the Charger over on the left side. They basically have called each other out. Loser has to bring 20 bucks to the announcers. And more. And more. Well, let's just say son. Pops just showed you love. Now, granted,
Come on, Jake.
He has got you over his knee and is getting the belt out. Spank has been delivered. Pow! Go to your room. All right, we're waiting for our 20. Oh, go to your room. He took you over his knee and showed you who was boss.